Top 10 cheapest vintage cars. Number 1, BMW Bavaria, 1974 year of issue, all stock. Over $7,000 in receipts for parts and machine work alone, not service. Complete engine and transmission overhaul, also steering, brakes, suspension, exhaust. Needs body and paint. Worst rust is on the trunk lid. Needs passenger seat cover or repair. Needs front right fender trim. Have right side trim. Bumper to fender rubber guard. New trunk rubber. New trunk emblems, Bavaria, automatic, new sunroof crank, understeering column trim, Haynes and Chilton's manuals. Support the creation of our videos with your subscription. Number 2, BMW Amica, 1968 year of issue. 1968 BMW Convertible. Out of my microcar collection, runs and drives. 1-cylinder 4-stroke engine, 12 volts automatic 356. CCI have new headlight as shown on photos. Usual price in UK about £12,000 car, comes with all legal importation papers for registration in any state in USA. Head turner in any show. You are the only one in the show with this bubble. Number 3, Buick 4-Doctor Sedan, 1934 year of issue. 34 Buick 4-door sedan model, 41 street rod project. Have old title, no motor trans. I have front fenders for it. Nice grille shell, but no grille inserts, no seats, no door handles, etc. Has Jaguar front suspension, Chevrolet rear end, mocked in place, very nice wood yet. Doors still open and shut, amateur paint on the car. Nice body, but some rust out on the bottom of the cowl and the rear pan. Firewall is cut out, but I have another firewall pictured for it. Nice looking project car for a mean gangster look. Number 4, Hilman Minks, 1948 year of issue. You're looking at a 1948 Hilman Minks convertible. This is a really nice project car that comes with a lot of parts to build it with. New glass, and much, much more. I understand this car was only built for about 10 months in 1948. The frame has been built to Pro Street specs. It has a narrowed 9-inch Ford rear end with weld wheels. The car is almost ready to paint. It will make an awesome ride when completed. It has SV6 Chevy engine setting under the hood. I do not know anything about it. You don't see these often. Give me a call so we can talk about how we can make my car yours. Number 5, Ford Custom, 1949 year of issue. Sitting in its simplified glory, we have a faded, rusted, and delaminated grille, complete with a turbine-style central V8 moniker. A circular FORD hovers above and follows the line of the turbine and fronts the massive hood. Bringing up the rear is a single, simple oval taillight. The other is missing, and some badging around the trunk lever. Below is a rusted and marred bumper. A few of the pieces of chrome trim spear remain just below the belt line and have seen better days. Black wall tires are on all four corners and are mounted to standard steel wheels. The top, even in the lowered position, shows as severely degraded with aqua-painted framing. Number 6. Ford Woody Wagon. 1930 year of issue. This is a nice 1930 vintage car. Located in Miami, Florida. The car is brown in color. Automatic transmission. Links to it and other cars are in the comments. Number 7, Chevrolet Kingswood 1970 year of issue. .400 small block, turbo 400. .12-bolt rear end, front disc brakes, tilt steering, AC. It starts and runs good, brakes are working, no exhaust. .76K miles showing on it, has new aluminum radiator, very clean Western body. Very minimal rust through, has lots of dings and dents. LF fender will need replacing, original paint yet. Very neat car to drive as is or choose to restore. $4,500. Number 8, International Harvester. 1969 year of issue. 1969 International Harvester pickup short box. Step side, V8, 4-speed, 4x4. .75 ton. Rusty from Iowa, does not run, and brakes do not work. Brake shoes are stuck to the drums. Need a good winch to pull it onto a trailer. 2 owners, no title. also have a short aluminum flatbed that could go with the deal. Number 9. Mercury Meteor, 1962 year of issue. (1962) Mercury Meteor Custom. 221 V8 W/3-speed manual. Project car. Not many of these left. Don't want to see her go, but health age says that this needs to go to a good home. Last Georgia State Patrol inspection was 1,976.77. She's been garaged and covered since 2016. Not currently running, but have a very large supply of new and used parts. (100% complete and rust-free). Body is very straight, one small dent under left tail light. Rear bumper is a mess, but have a straight replacement. Number 10. Alfa Romeo 2000 Spider Veloce. 1976 year of issue. The body is straight, but the silver needs repaint. There is no chassis rust. The engine and transmission have been rebuilt. It has a new exhaust system. Interior is in good shape and the soft top was redone. It has a hard top also and a roll bar. It has been garaged by previous owners as well as ourselves. Engine starts and needs tune-up. But clutch needs a new master cylinder. Brakes are good, no oil leaks. Comes with a removable hardtop and other extras. If you're interested in more vintage cars for sale, be sure to subscribe to the channel. You'll be helping us out a lot.